You can see this is Tekken 7. And it's attempting to install. Alright. 3.8 something gigabytes. You may or may not be able to hear that the PlayStation is having issues with, it sounds like reading the disc. Turn the volume down on the TV so hopefully you can hear it. You can see it's just over 25% of the way finished installing. This copy did previously work in my PlayStation. Until I was advised by Sony to put it into safe mode and do a restart due to disk read or disk ejection issues that I was having. I had to send it in to Sony to get serviced, and they sent it back. I do not know for sure whether this is a refurbished one or the same exact PlayStation. I suspect it's refurbished based on the visual condition of my PlayStation, but this copy of the disc now will not only, now it won't even install. This is the only disc-based game that I have that has an issue like this. I have no issues with other disc-based games or ones that I've downloaded from PlayStation Plus, which is why I've contacted you guys to see if it's an issue with the disc. If you watch this video and you take a look at the disc itself, you'll see that there's no damage to the disc itself. We might be here for a minute. We're about 3 minutes into the video, so apologies if you're stuck watching this. You can... Oh, there we go. Perfect. So, that automatically... I didn't press back, by the way. That automatically booted me back. And you can see here on the screen, there's just a pause icon over the Tekken loading thing. Oh, and you can see I have all this trophy progress, so clearly I played this before. When I press X using the controller, now it says in and out. I don't even get an issue describing that it's corrupt data or anything like that. If I go to the options menu and look at the information, this is what it tells me. It says the size is 721 kilobytes. The last update was on the 5th of August 2017, because that's when I received the PlayStation back and tried from Sony and tried to install this game along with others. Like I said, every other game that I've attempted to reinstall has worked properly. This is the only one where it's coming up with this issue, and it doesn't matter if I wipe all the Tekken 7 memory from the PlayStation, I still get this issue, which is why I've contacted you guys to see what the deal is. If you have any suggestions or can figure out how to fix it. So, yeah. please give me a heads up as what's going on, what I need, what if this is a problem with the disc. I hope that's something it is, because I have no idea what to do now. I've already given Sony $100 of my money to either give me a refurbished PlayStation or fix mine. So, because it was out of warranty, and yeah, I just would like to play Tekken without the disc automatically ejecting from my PlayStation or from, or yeah, I just would like to play it. Thank you guys.